Hello everyone. Now we are discussing number system. Number system is most simplest and important topic. Most of the times, a question from number system is seen in almost every exams. So first we will see the introduction. In introduction part, we will going through why we use number system. Then what is the need of number system. Then we will talk about base, radix, range, and what are the importance of number system or important number systems. कि कौन कौन सी नंबर सिस्टम है जो इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे कन्वर्जन्स. Conversion is one of the most important part of number system. Most of the time question from coming from conversion or maybe from complements or floating point. So in conversion we will see the conversion from one number system to another, that is from decimal to binary or binary to decimal or octal or hexadecimal or any other base. We will also talk about any other base. Then coming to arithmetic operations. In arithmetic operations, we will see addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All of us are familiar with decimal number system, addition, normal addition, multiplication. Uh, we will focus more on binary number system because the whole digital electronics, or you can say digital electronics, is based upon binary number system, that is 0 or 1. Now coming to codes like BCD codes or ASCII code or many others. Now floating point. In floating point we will see single precision, double precision, and also how to represent the number, and then what is exponent, mantissa, everything. So first coming to the introduction part. First question arises, why we use number system or what is the need of number system. So basically, number system is used for the purpose of counting or for measuring things, or you can say that number system are used for the measurement of magnitude of any quantity. Like if we want to measure the weight of a quantity or height of the person, likewise. So if we are the number systems are first binary, then decimal, then octal, and then coming to hexadecimal. These are the important number systems. So binary represents 2, or we will let us talk about base or radix. So base or radix means the total number of allowed digits. That means in a number system how many digits are allowed, or you can say that कि एक नंबर सिस्टम में कितने नंबर होंगे और कौन कौन से डिजिट होंगे वो. तो बाइनरी में दो डिजिट के ऊपर वर्क करता है. बाइनरी बेसिकली 0 और 1. सो it has base 2 or radix 2, so the range covering 0 and 1. And then coming to decimal number system, deci means 10. So here the base of decimal number system is 10, or you can say that in decimal number system only 10 digits are allowed, that are ranging from 0 to 9. 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These 10 are allowed digits in decimal number system. Most of all of us are familiar with the decimal number system, and the binary number system is most important for the digital electronics point of view, because all machines or computers work on binary number system, and the conversions is also important, because the humans know the decimal number system and the machine knows the binary number system. So we will give the input in the form of decimal, and then the machine convert it in binary through the through the converters. All conversion is most important. Then it gives us result in the form of again decimal. So it converts its binary result in the form of decimal. Now coming to the octal number system. Octa represents 8. So it has radix or base 8. That means only 8 digits are allowed. So from 0 to 7, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in hexadecimal, hexa means 16. So the base or radix of hexadecimal is 16, and it represents 16 digits from 0 to 15. But we will on coming to the representation, we will not write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15. Instead of, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then coming 10, in place of 10 we will write A, B, C, D, then E and F. Here A basically equals to 10 of decimal. This is equivalent to 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, and this is 14. Sorry, 15. 10, 11, 13, 14, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Now, if someone gives any other base apart from these binary, decimal, octal, or hexa, let us suppose we are given with 13. So the range or the places it cover from 0 to 12. That means 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then after that A, then B, and then C. So it is 10, it is 11, and it is 12. Likewise, we are solving for any given for any other base. Now let us say we can call it as n. That is base n. So formula for finding the range: if n is the base of any number system, then range of that system is 0 to n minus 1. That is the number n itself does not cover in this range. That means we cannot write n also in this range. We are ranging from 0 to n minus 1. in this